Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to solve a new problem using collection framework and stream API. So the problem statement is that we are given a list of elements or a list of integers and we have to get the sum of all the elements. Okay, pretty easy problem, or you can say pretty basic beginner problem. So let's begin and see how using stream API we can solve this. Okay, so let's create a list. Now today we will create a list using another new way. This is list dot off. Okay, now this method also returns an unmodifiable list, means you cannot modify this list. So if you want to create such list, you can create. Okay, we have this list. Now we have to use the stream API and get the sum. Now there are two ways using the stream APIs. So let's see first way. First way is, let's declare a variable int sum equal to, now we have list dot stream. So as I said yesterday in the video, we have to use this list dot stream so that to get the stream of the list. Now next is to use map function. Now what does this map means? Map function basically helps in transformation. Okay, so transformation means if you want to add an element to the existing element, or you want to double the elements, value of the elements, or you want to multiply by 10 and then add 1 to each of the elements, then in such cases such transformation you can do using map. Okay, but here we will be using map to int. Now why we will be using map to int? So that we can get integer stream. Okay, so we use integer stream. For mapping we are using I, lambda expression I. Now we want the same number as it is in the list because we just want to add them. Okay, in the integer stream also we want only those integers that we already have. Okay, and then if we get the integer stream, we have a method that can be used with integer stream. It is sum. Okay, and that's it. Now if you simply use map, you will not get this sum method. Okay, so you have to use map to int to generate a integer string, and then you can use this sum method. Okay, now if we print the sum variable, then we will be getting 21. So 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 6 21. Right, great. Now there is another way in which we can do this, and this way is to use reduce. So we use int sum equal to list dot stream. Now dot, we simply have a function or a method called reduce. Now reduce takes two parameters. First parameter is the starting point. We have to specify from where to start. So since we are doing addition, we should start from 0. Okay, and second is we have to define a operation, that what type of operation we want to perform. So basically the reduce method is made up for that if you have a list or a collection of objects, then how can you squeeze them or group together or perform such operation on them such that they reduce down to the single unit. So here also we have to perform the operation. Now we have to pass two arguments. So I just pass a and comma b. Okay, and I say a plus b. That's it. Now you must be saying why we are starting from 0 and not we are starting from 1, because our list is starting from 1. So just imagine, in without using the Stream API or without using the functionalities of Java 8, how we were doing this problem. We would first declare a variable sum equal to 0, and then we would iterate a loop on list, and then we would add sum equal to sum plus and then one element of the list, and then again that logic would continue. So that's why we are initializing the initial value to 0. For example, we want to multiply all the elements of the list and we want to get the product. So instead of 0, we would start with 1. Okay. So if we print this sum, we will get, let's see what we get. Okay, we are getting 21. So this is a second way in which we can get the sum. Okay, so this is how we can sum, or we can add all the elements of the list and using the Stream API. So I hope this is a very easy problem. Now in the from the next one, we will be leveling up our difficulty level also, so that, and you can try various problems using Stream API. Okay, so till then, bye bye.